The hit-and-run case involving Red Bull's Heir is now being thought of as corrupt, as 15 officials are now facing accusations. The National Anti-Corruption Commission, or the NACC, declared 15 high-ranking police officials and prosecutors culpable for mismanaging the infamous 2012 hit-and-run case connected to the Red Bull Heir. Among the implicated are prominent figures including Kun Somyot, the former national police chief, and Nate NACC, the previous deputy attorney general who had dismissed the residual charges against him, according to NACC spokesperson Kun Niwachai. Newly appointed Education Minister and former Assistant National Police Chief Kun Prampun, who officially sanctioned Nate's decision in June 2020, was also named in the NACC's Red Bull Heir report. Niwachai described Prampun's endorsement as a disciplinary violation, albeit not a grave one. The incident in question occurred on September 3, 2012, when Vorayuth boss Yuvidya, who was 27 years old at the time, hit a motorcycle ridden by Kun Wichian, a senior sergeant major from the Tonglo police station, with his Ferrari. Vorayuth then fled the scene, dragging the victim's body approximately 200 meters without notifying the police. Following a drawn-out investigation, Vorayuth, the successor to the Red Bull empire, was charged on 3 counts. His legal team was successful in deferring court appearances 8 times before Vorayuth absconded from the country in 2017. The decision in 2020 by Nate to dismiss the charge of reckless driving causing death, based on alleged new evidence that pointed the finger at the deceased policeman for the crash, sparked a public uproar. Consequently, Prime Minister Prayut Chan-o-cha established a committee to inspect the decision. Under the leadership of Kun Visha, an ex-NACC commissioner, the committee discovered signs of interference by officials, law enforcement agencies, public prosecutors, lawyers, and witnesses. The implicated reportedly include 3 prosecutors and multiple high-ranking police officers. Some of these individuals were alleged to have played a part in altering the car's speed at the moment of the fatal crash and the sudden emergence of new witnesses. This led to a reduction in the charges against Vorayuth. The complete findings of Visha's report have yet to be made public. This was huge news for a long time. Obviously, Red Bull is one of the largest companies to come out of Thailand, and so any news involving that family is going to get a lot of attention, let alone a hit-and-run death involving a Ferrari. So when you've got these kinds of connections and a judicial system that can be, judicial systems around the world are typically lenient towards the wealthy. So the public pressure seems to be what's keeping this story alive and these investigations ongoing. So we'll bring you those details as we get them.